Vara Virtual Academy, we are back. One more problem. If you like painting, this may help you, right? Algebra, Math 7, Math 8, Math 6. This is a very simple problem. If you have a similar one on the proficiency exam, you should get the maximum score without any headaches. Let's read it. Gina is painting the rectangular tool chest shown in the diagram below. Okay, and you have the dimensions which are given. If Gina paints only the outside of the tool chest, what is the total surface area in square inches she will paint? Alright, and like I've said, you have the dimensions given, you have the longest side of 24 inches, you have the shorter size of your chest base of 10 inches, and you have the height 12, right? So I can call this one the length, I can call the other side width, and this 12 will be my height. And as you guys can see, you know, a chest has the shape of a rectangular prism, right? And let's make this one better. And you have to remember that for every one of its sides, you have the opposite one which is congruent, right? So if I'm going with the front of my chest, let's say this part here, right? On the other side I will have another one. If I'm going with the side, with the right side, the opposite side will be also congruent. If you wanna start with the bottom is opposing the top, and they are congruent. So all you have to do in here is to calculate one of the sides and then double it, right? So let's start with the side that, you know, it's got the lock on it, right? The one that I highlighted with red. What is the area of that side? Let's call it the area of the front, right? The area of the front will be the length, right, times height, because this side right here, this one, you know, will be 12 inches high. So it'll be length times height. And because I have the opposite one, the one on the back of the same area, right, I will make it double. So it'll be 2 times the area of the front, which would be 2 times length times height. Next, what is the area of the sides, right? Well, the area of the sides, let's call it A sub S, will be 2 times, and what are the dimensions of your side? Will be width and height, right? W times height. As you can see, the other one will also have, you know, the same area, this one over there. Okay, and what I have left, I'm left with the bottom and the top of your chest, of Gina's chest. That will be also 2 times the area of the bottom, because the top will be the same. Let's call it A sub B, area of the bottom, and top, if you want, will be 2 times, and the dimensions of the top will be what? Length by width, right? Length times W, and all you have to do is to add them up to find the total area of the total surface, right? Will be 2 times area of the front and back plus 2 times the area of the sides, right, plus 2 times the area of the bottom and top, which gives you what? 2 times, and you can take that 2 as a common factor, and then you will be left only with the area of each one of the surfaces. Will be 2 times length times height plus width times height plus length times width. Okay. Next step, plug in everything that you know. I know that this dimensions will be twice times length is 24 times my height 12 plus width is 10 times height times 12 plus 24 my length times my width, which is 10. All right. This will be what? 2 times. What is 24 times 12? Well, an easy way to multiply 24 times 12 would be to write 24 as 2 times 12 and then times 12. We know that 12 times 12 is 144. All you have to do is to multiply 2 times 144, which is 288. Would be 288 plus 12 times 10, 120, plus 24 times 10 will be 240. Okay, and let's add the parentheses. This will equal again 2 times, I have 0 plus 0 plus 8 is going to be 8. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 18 is going to be 14, right? So I have 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, 4, plus 2, 6. And you have to double that, and the answer here will be what? 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9, 2 times 6, 12. And this is the answer, right? 1296 cubic inches. As you can see, option C gives you exactly the same answer, and if we didn't make any mistakes in our arithmetic in here, this should be the answer. You are done. Move on. Okay? Thank you, guys.